Hey, what is up, intelligent people, or people who are clicking on this video wanting to know how to find stocks before they explode? Make sure to stick to right on the end. As you can see, this is how long the video is. To the right corner, down, like, bottom right corner, you can see how the long video is. But let's just get straight into it. What you're gonna do, we're gonna be using Finviz.com. You go on Finviz.com, then you click in right here. I mean, right there, screener. You will find that, or you can basically go Finviz.com/screener dot ash x right there. And after that, just see like what I'm doing, everything that I feel I will be explaining it to you guys. So let's get straight into it. You feel me? There are gonna be five things that we're gonna be filling, and it will do with the market cap, the industry, also the average volume, the 50-day simple low, moving average, simple moving average, the relative volume, and so on and so on. So first, we're gonna be starting the industry. Basically, tells us like what are we looking at? Basically, in the advertising like agencies, a lot of things that you can choose on luxury goods, but we only want stocks. And like they will cut the number for like 3K. We're only at 3K. The number has been cut right now. We only have stocks on the chart. The next thing that we want to fill out will be the 200-day simple moving average. Why do I start with that? But just mainly because this can determine what the trend is. Okay, what the trend is. So are we in an uptrend, downtrend? If the price is below the 200-day simple moving average, we are in a downtrend, and vice versa. If the price is above the SMA 200, we are in a uptrend. It basically tells us, gives us the average of the last 200 days closing prices. Okay, so yeah, we want the price to be above the SMA 200. So right here, we are left with 2,708 stocks that are in potential option. And as you can see right here, every single stock is in, for example, this is in a downtrend, but overall for the short term, yeah. Well, yeah. Overall, the next thing that I'm going to be filling will be the average volume. What does the average volume mean? Basically, the average amount of shares traded for a stock that day. So basically, like what I personally like to fill out will be over 500, 750, and over 300k. So right now we're gonna go with over 300k. The next thing will be the relative volume, or the R-vol. We're gonna go, of course, with over 1.5 or over 2. Let's go with over 2 first of all. We are left with 629 stocks. And then what does that, oh yeah, what does the R-vol mean, or relative volume? It basically says that it's a ratio between the current volume and the 3-month average, like intraday adjusted. And it basically tells us like if the stock has like R-vol over 2, it tells us that the stock is like quite volatile. It's quite volatile, and it really moves. So we want it to be over 2 or 1.5, even over 75, over 0.75, zero point 0.5, over 25. We don't want it to be under zero point 0.1 for me. So yeah, the higher the thing, the more like volatile the stock is. So the next thing that we're going to be filling, the last thing overall, will be the market cap. The market capitalization equals the total dollar market value of all of a company's outstanding shares. The market cap, we want it to be plus small. Okay, plus small. I sometimes I go with plus like mid or plus large, but I always go with like micro or over 50 million, or plus small, or yeah, or just small, over 300 million market, $300 million market cap. We're left with 616 stocks right now. So you could be looking at this all every single stock that is right here on the chart, but we're going to be filling the 50-day in the 20-day simple moving averages. The same thing. We want the price to be above them, and this cuts the number dramatically, bro, dramatically. And right now we have 286 stocks. We're going to be changing the volume. We just double click the volume, so we want them to be like pretty volatile. And on top of the list, we have PLTR. So that's about it for today. You can basically go ahead and kind of find your stocks and how, like, what style of trading you use. But this is the screener. You can basically go ahead and screenshot this, and that's about it for today. So if you're interested in more videos like this, consider subscribing and liking the upload. And peace out, and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye.